Hello everyone and welcome back to Make, Game, Repeat. This time I want to show you how I implemented my very first inventory in Unity. Here you can see the inventory in its full glory. Items are collected and automatically enter the next free slot. Of course, only if the inventory isn't full. Stacks are also filled until they reach the maximum stack size. In that case, a new stack is formed. The items can also be picked up and moved to another slot. If that is already occupied, the slots just get swapped. And of course, it also works for multiple players. And now let's see how it works behind the scenes. The inventory, which is attached to the player, is based on a synchronized list, which is an object provided by Miro. It automatically handles the synchronization between client and the server. In that list, every stack has its own slot, which is defined by the contained item ID, the item quantity, and its position in the inventory. The position is needed for the inventory UI, as you have already seen. The inventory UI is enabled by pressing E and contains a button for every slot, each of them with a text object and an image object. All of them are registered in the central UI inventory manager, which again provides the reference to the inventory attached to the player. The same goes for the button presses. They trigger a central function in the UI inventory manager and relay what button is pressed. At that point, it should be clear that the actual inventory content and its UI are separate things. This also prevents duplication glitches when swapping items. During the swap process, they are technically still in their old slot. Only when a valid destination is selected, the underlying inventory data is altered. And that sums it up. The inventory is done. Some of you may already have spotted it. I have tinkered around with the ore spawning again and have implemented the vein-like spawning pattern. This is done by only spawning stone blocks at first. Some of them are then selected as seeds and replaced with ores. The veins then continue in random directions. Their length is randomized to get some variety. And that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more updates. I hope you had as much fun watching my videos as I had making it. Your thoughts and comments about my videos or the game are very welcome. If you don't want to miss future videos, please subscribe and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a nice day.